Hey guys, welcome to Junior's Earth, and today I'm gonna draw baby Superman. This is not the baby Superman actually. This is the childhood of our Superman. So I have started with his hair, the same stylish hair. Wow. With cute face. These are his hands. And this is the most amazing thing that helps us to make a lot of fun. And his cute little legs. Just finished drawing his cape. And his belt. Here is the letter S. S for Superman and S for speed. My drawing is completed. Now I have started coloring. I'm coloring his hair with a gray color. Wow! Now red. Red for what? Red for his cape. Red for his socks and shoes. Underwear. And for the S. Now blue. Blue for the rest of his suit. Okay. Now the last color, yellow. my drawing is almost completed. Just finished with his eyebrows. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.